Hey, welcome back to my channel. Makita XLC07Z 18V LXT Lithium-ion Handheld Canister Vacuum. The 18V LXT compact handheld canister vacuum tool only is versatile and portable to handle quick cleanups and car interior cleaning. The Makita-built motor delivers 49 CFM for use on a wide range of debris. The vacuum hose extends to 40-12 to access hard-to-reach spaces. Users can get up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime with a fully charged 1.5 Ah battery. There are 3 speed buttons to select the correct speed for the application. It operates at a noise level of 68 dB. An LED warning light indicates when to recharge the battery. The XLC07Z weighs less for easy portability and reduced operator fatigue. It is a part of Makita's expanding 18V LXT system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, overdischarging, and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. Weighs only 4 pounds, with battery for reduced operator fatigue. Powerful motor delivers 49 CFM for use on a wide range of materials. 3 speed and off push buttons for variety of applications. Up to 40 minutes of continuous use from a single fully charged 1.5 Ah battery. Includes both vacuum and blower attachments. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.